The banana phone, the Nokia 8110, is relaunched. The phone first came in 1999, but the company has now tried to make it smarter with the 4G connectivity on this and a lot of upgrades as well. But then the design stays the same with the slider on the front exposing the front keypad, but the curved body also remains the same. So this is the Nokia 8110 4G that is newly launched with two color options, the traditional black and the banana yellow. It runs the KaiOS with a lot of pre-installed applications to make you comfortable with using it for the first time. The settings would already let you know how similar it is to the Geo phone because that phone also ran the same KaiOS, and there are a lot of connectivity options here giving VoLTE as well as the Wi-Fi hotspot for you to share the data connectivity with the other phones around. In the about section you'll see that this has the dual SIM connectivity and this also anti-theft option given here. Let's try a game on this because that is one other good thing about the Nokia 8110 here. There's the upgraded Snake, the new Snake game, and this is the Danger Dash. But you'll notice this already that there are some lags, so there's no good gaming experience to be expected here, but then at least you'll be happy trying some games on a feature phone from Nokia. Now the rear camera, that's 2 megapixel, that is almost as good as nothing because it's not an autofocus one, it's a fixed focus camera, and if you see this photo that we have captured, you see there's no focusing done and it's only a basic capture that is being done, and it's obviously something that you should not expect a lot from a 2MP camera on a feature phone. But Nokia has tried to do something with the camera application here on the KaiOS with options for flash, self timer, grid layout and opening gallery and the modes between photo and video. See the curve on the body and you'll notice how this is similar to how the phone was in 1999, and the back is removable here and you see the slots for the SIM card and the microSD card for the storage expansion. And this is the dual SIM phone as you had seen earlier. See that banana in the bottom, this is similar to that in the color, and the shape as well is a curved one. The slider opens, whenever you open the slider you'll see that the screen is getting activated, but then if you don't want to always open the slider, you can press the power button on the right side and that would activate the screen for you. But then how will you use it, because there's no touch screen and you'll have to obviously slide down to navigate through the interface of the phone. So this is the Nokia 8110. It is powered by the Snapdragon 205 chipset. On the front there's a 2.4-inch curved display with a QVGA resolution, and that is it about this phone. It comes with a 1500 mAh battery and it is going to price 80 euros when it becomes available in May. But then in India again it reflects to 6500 for that price, and I surely don't think no one would be interested to buy it at that price. But let's wait for it to officially get launched in India and see how good it is priced at that time. So this was all about the Nokia 8110 4G edition launched at MWC with the other 4 phones from Nokia, the Nokia 1, the Nokia 7 Plus, the Nokia 8 Sirocco and the new Nokia 6 as well. So this was all about the 8110. I hope you liked this video. Stay tuned for more updates from the Mobile World Congress 2018 and subscribe to Gizmo Times for more. Thank you for watching.